How to recover Fitbit account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you guys know or show you the procedure to recover Fitbit account. To recover your Fitbit account, you just have to follow these steps. So first thing first, you could go ahead and open up your browser and on the web address bar type in fitbit.com, login. When you type in that information, it's gonna take you to this sort of page. So click on the first link that appears. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and look for the login option. Press that. As you press on the login option, you could see there is this option as forgot your password. Now click on forgot your password. Now enter in the email address you use to create your account and send the link. So type in your information and click on send instructions. Now a recovery email has been sent to the following registered email address. Open up your email address and then enter or select the way to create a new one. So this way you could recover your Fitbit account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.